Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to change the spending limit on your Instagram ads. Let's dive right in. First, open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu page. On the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down to find the Creator Tools and Controls section and tap on it. In this section, you'll find several options. From these options, tap on the Add Payment section. Then, tap on the Payment Method option. Under Payment Method, you'll see the Account Spending Limit section. Tap on it to edit your spending limit as you want to change or set it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your spending limit on Instagram ads. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.